Hey there, green thumbs. Today I'm diving into a topic that every gardener should know about. Veggies you can grow in the shade. Yep, that's right. Shade doesn't mean you have to miss out on homegrown goodness. First up, we've got spinach. This leafy green loves cooler conditions, making it perfect for shady spots. Next is lettuce. It thrives in the shade and you'll get tender sweet leaves. Number 3, radishes. These grow quickly and enjoy some shade to keep them from getting too spicy. Fourth on the list, kale. This nutrient powerhouse does well even with less sunlight. Fifth, peas. These guys can tolerate partial shade and still deliver a sweet harvest. Coming in at number 6, beets. They don't need a ton of light and you can enjoy both the roots and the greens. Seventh, we have carrots. While they prefer some sun, they can grow in dappled shade. Eighth is broccoli. It's great for cooler, shadier spots in your garden. Ninth, Swiss chard. It's super versatile and will thrive with less sun. And finally, number 10, arugula. This peppery green is perfect for partial shade and adds a kick to your salads. So there you have it. 10 veggies that will love your shady garden spots. Don't let a lack of sun stop you from gardening. Get out there and start planting. Happy gardening. See you in the next video.